Helen from the home, Joe. She was at school with us.
It's been 20-odd years.
It's funny. What is? This is the first time we've ever talked.
Snoopians against the law.
You like her? You've been hiding away too long.
What is going on with those two?
I'm not a great believer in love.
You must have believed in it once upon a time.
Women like us, we live by the clock. Spend every day serving someone.
Can't escape from what you are around here. Nobody wants you!
I'm always going to be this girl, and you are always going to be desperate.
I'm not being funny, but can someone grab that creepy doll?
Yeah.